One who possesses the face of a date rapist.
Right. Listen, I'm sorry, bro. But we are going to Amsterdam. Come on!
True. This is true, Roldy.
Man, this is so not like me.
Yeah.
It's like I'm a whole new Harold. Better, faster, stronger.
Nice.
Man, I've never used a sick day before. I'm taking a whole week off from work here, man. And in less than 8 hours, we're gonna be in Amsterdam. This is nuts. This is nuts.
I know, dude. It's gonna be exactly like Euro Trip, only it's not gonna suck. It's gonna be awesome.
It's not gonna be awesome.
Dude, this chick's giving me such a boner. It's awesome.
Thank you. Ruin the moment. She's all yours, buddy.
You want to pause it?
I'm going to the bathroom. No, that's... Enjoy. Just a minute. Hey, hey. Shh. What are you doing? I'm taking a piss, asshole. Yo, you're not joining the Mile High Club, are you?
What about the really high club?
Are you retarded?
No.
You brought weed on the fucking airplane?
Yup.
What the fuck? Wait a second, you were giving that security guard shit.
Yeah, how else was I supposed to get past him?
By not bringing drugs on an airplane? What do you do? What is this?
You'll see. Harold Lee, I would like to introduce you to an invention of mine. Meet the smokeless bong.
You made this?
You know, I did. When you were slaving away at work, I was actually being a productive member of society.
Yeah, that's really productive.
Let me show you how it works. So, take a little weed, put it in the bowl right here, and light it just like a normal bong, okay? Now here's the truly genius part. Inside this mechanism, I have actually made a little tiny, tiny fan and some disinfectant powder, okay? It works sort of like a deodorizer, so that anything it expunges smells like Lysol.
Put it away.
No, dude.
Can you not wait till we get to Amsterdam? It's the weed capital of the world.
No.
Put the bong away.
Take the inaugural hit, dude.
No.
Run, man. Then I'm gonna
Put it away.
You go
Put the freaking bong away. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Goldie?
No, ma'am, he's not a terrorist. He's just an idiot.
This is just a bomb.
You say you got a bomb! It's a water pipe for tobacco!
No, it's not a bomb. It's just a bong.
Poison gas! You picked the wrong plane, you terrorist. Fuck! Hey! Hey, what are you doing? There are 3 air marshals on board. 3!
We are not terrorists, sir. That's a bong, not a bomb.
Shut up.
I got this one!
Please don't. Ow, I am in a great amount of pain, sir.
Everybody relax. Just calm down. Everything is under control. Tell them to turn the plane around. These 2 assholes are going back to the U.S.